Rob Long, WNS-TV with Coach Todd Bowles from Morgan State University. Big season last year. You ran right through the MEAC, little speed bump in the MEAC tournament. You still got to the NIT. What are your expectations coming up this year?
Well, last year we took positive steps, and we just want to continue to take positive steps. That's our goal, and I wouldn't necessarily say we ran through the league, but because there's always tough games, and then coming down to the conference tournament, improved it, another tough game, and in the championship game with Coppin. So, but we just want to continue to take positive steps. So we lost a player of the year in the conference, defensive player of the year, and a starting point guard. So we have some things to do and some places where we can grow.
Bob Haney, WNST, on WNS-TV, Coach Bozeman. You didn't get the conference tournament, as Rob said, but you got to go to the NIT, and the fact that there is a reward for winning the MEAC regular season. How important is that, not only for you as a coach, but for the players, knowing that, hey, this hard work we put in this season, we get a little postseason taste?
Well, I am glad that they changed that rule, and they made it so the regular season champs can go to the NIT. So that is a good thing, and I think for our guys, it said a lot for them because it also allowed them to continue to play again. Everybody doesn't play after the season's over. It was the first time in the history of the school at Division I where they got postseason play. So down at the Final Four, you get recognized at a banquet for winning your regular season. So it's a lot of pluses. Obviously your goal is to get to the NCAA tournament, but you also don't want to put a shadow over a 22-win season. So in that respect, it was good.
Coach Bowles, good luck to you this upcoming season.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.